welcome to a quick tutorial using TurboCoder and using the Everywhere search. So up here in the toolbar, you can see our search is on Everywhere. If you click the drop-down box, you can see Everywhere there. You can also change it to any other option, but today we are focusing on Everywhere. So when you search Everywhere, you're searching the whole application of TurboCoder. So if you wanted to say, look for a word like a term like collection, you'll see that it does start to suggest either collection or collections. So in this case, we want to choose collection. And you can see that it has also suggested by heat maps all the different areas where the word collection has hit or occurs in any part of the application. So here there's 5 hits in the index, 8 hits in the tabular, etc. You can also see that there's 23 hits here in the coding rules. So say you wanted to look for a coding rule with the word collection in it. You click either on the green button and it takes you straight to where the word collection is. This might be what you were looking for. You were actually looking for the pelvic collection advice. See that it was updated. You can also see that the collection is been highlighted in both the title and within the text of the actual coding rule. So it gives you great access to anywhere that this word might exist throughout the whole application, especially when you're looking for that piece of advice that you don't know where it exists. If you want to go back, you can come back up here and click the backtrack button. You can see it also might occur in other coding rules that you didn't know about, and you can just click forward and it will take you through where it might exist in other particular coding rules. And here it's talking about data collection, so that's not relevant. So you can go back, go up here to Everywhere and find another term that you might be looking for. So say you want to look for the term aspiration and you want to see where it exists in a index. So you can come down here and it highlights where it is within the intervention index and also where it might be in part of the lookups as well. So abscess, see also aspiration by site as an index, as a lookup term there. So you can just motor through clicking this forward button here and it will take you through wherever aspiration occurs. You can also go back and see if it exists anywhere else. So you can go right back to Turbo and see what the aspiration is in the standard and then click on that. And you can see it's highlighted aspiration within the 1613 standard. So it's excellent for that kind of looking for terms throughout the whole application. You can also look for queries or coding rules by number and it will take you straight there. So say you're going to look up that one, you see it's been listed in the archive in the retired advice. So when you click on that and it appears brown, you know that this is old advice, and you can see up here that this piece of advice was retired in 2019, but it may be something that you've seen referenced in a piece of information or in some advice that you've seen, and you can look it up also by the coding rule. So that's a quick guide to how to use the Everywhere drop-down box.